All of us are users of enterprise IT software. We often are experiencing multiple disparate systems. We've got all kinds of multiple usernames and logins and multiple applications, and they're spread out all over the place. AppDirect has brought a solution to the marketplace that really tries to harmonize this and address this really big challenge that the enterprise market has. How have you done that?
Think about what technology did to music. So you look over the evolution of the last few years, and now you have access to the world's library of music at your fingertips with one password, one bill. It all just works. And then you can layer on the data to intelligently recommend services. And that's what AppDirect's just doing for enterprise software.
But when we really break it down, there's so many different manufacturers of the software. Spotify is one app. When you think about Microsoft and Google and Apple and all these different software platforms, how do you bring those together?
With Spotify, there's tons of different content providers, though, musicians. So think of software developers like a Microsoft or a Google as a musician. We create a platform that standardizes similar elements like single sign-on, user management, billing, to make it really easy for a business owner to get the services that they want, when they want, and just focus on building their business.
And you talk a lot about how you're actually helping grow businesses, the upsell opportunity that your marketplaces afford the opportunities for businesses to do. How does that actually work?
So what we really focus on is understanding what type of business wants what. So for example, my family had a furniture store, and the killer app for furniture stores is point of sale, being able to manage inventory. And then from there, it could be a website for marketing. It could be something to save money. And because we have over 2.6 million businesses across the world on our platform today, we have data where we can intelligently recommend businesses what they need in order to thrive.
2.6 million businesses also gives you a lot of data with respect to the opportunity to use AI and machine learning.
Exactly.
Where does that into your business model?
So we have a lot of different models in which we use AI, both at the platform layer, but we also partner with companies that are AI specialists. So for example, a company in Canada called Coveo is a partner of ours that does intelligent search. And we have an add-on ecosystem of partners that can use data in different ways. But all the data is secured behind the company's environments, and businesses can choose what they want to share and anonymize or not.
What's the use case that's out there with AppDirect that's had the biggest positive ROI and impact on a business?
What we found is that businesses want to buy software from local trusted providers. So what we've found really, really critical is to enable trusted providers that are local to a business, that understand their lingo, how they work, and enable them to be successful.
What's the future look like for the commerce platform that you've got in the marketplace?
For us, over the last 10 years, it was about building the platform. For the next 10 years, it's getting in the hands of more and more people. So many people actually don't know AppDirect, but we power so many businesses. And that's because we've stayed relatively under the radar, and we've powered large enterprises, whether that be Verifone at the payments terminal or a lot of telecoms like Rogers or Vodafone. We're actually the platform that enables all of them to sell and resell digital services.